In this video, I'll show you how to turn ChatGPT into a powerful book summary assistant for quick learning. First, I'm giving the AI a specific persona to ensure the summaries are clear and focus on the most important takeaways. I want the results to include a brief overview, main ideas, and actionable insights without adding outside opinions. ChatGPT acknowledges these instructions and sets up a professional framework for our summaries. Now, I'm putting it to the test with the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. I'm asking for a summary under 300 words written in plain language to keep the core message simple and easy to understand. The result is a great breakdown of the core concepts, explaining how small improvements compound over time into significant results. It highlights the 4 laws of behavior change and the idea that our daily systems are ultimately more important than our goals. To go even deeper, I'm asking for a full chapter-by-chapter breakdown of the entire book. I've requested that each chapter include the main idea and one key insight, limited to just 2 or 3 sentences each to keep it concise. The AI generates a comprehensive list covering all 20 chapters, providing a clear map of the book's progression. It dives into the psychology of cravings, the secret to self-control, and practical strategies like the 2-minute rule. This is a perfect way to quickly digest a book's wisdom or review key concepts whenever you need a refresher. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.